series of organic chemistry lectures. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about alkenes, physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Dear friends, physical properties includes alkenes are first three alkenes, that is ethylene C2H4, propene C3H6, butene, that is C4H8, are gases at room temperature, whereas from pentene, that is C5H10 to C18H36, these are liquids at RT. Above C19H38 are solids. Dear friends, alkenes are the compounds with CC double bond with sp2 hybridization. What is hybridization? sp2 hybridization, and the bond length is about 134 picometers. Physical properties includes, yes, whether they are gases, liquids or solids. Yes, first three members up to ethylene, propene and butene, these three are gases at room temperature, whereas pentene 2, that is C18H36, are liquids at room temperature. Then above C19 all are solids at room temperature. This is how alkenes exist in the form of gases, liquids and solids. Yes, alkenes color. When it comes to color and smell, all are colorless compounds. Alkenes are colorless. Yes friends, when it comes to smell, only ethene as having some faint sweet smell. Remaining are without odorless, means no smell. Odorless compounds, there is no smell. So ethene is all are colorless compounds. Only ethylene will have faint sweet smell. Remaining all are odorless, that is no smell. Next, boiling point of alkenes in a homologous series from ethylene to propene, propene to butene, butene to pentene, 1 to 1, it is about 20 to 30 degrees increment will be there. That means if ethylene is having some x value of boiling point, then propene will have x plus 20 degrees centigrades of boiling point. This is how boiling point in a homologous series. That is, homologous series means what is the difference between ethylene and propene? Yes, CH2. What is the difference? CH2 is difference. So this is the difference. So based on this CH2 homologous series, the boiling point increases throughout the homologous series. Yes friends, this is how boiling point changes in a homologous series. Dear friends, physical properties of alkenes includes from ethylene to butene are gases, pentene to C18H36 are liquids at room temperature, above C19H38 are solids, and these are all colorless compounds, and most of them are odorless, that is without smell. Only you will find ethylene with a faint sweet smell. Right friends? So when it comes to boiling point, yes, there will be an increment of every homolog from ethylene to propene or propene to butene. There will be an increment of about 20 to 30 degrees centigrades. So this is how boiling point increases throughout the homologous series. Right. When it comes to boiling point of straight chain, for example, a pentene CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2. Isomer of pentene, that is side chain containing compound, that is, if I take this is isopentene 1 2 3 H CH double bond CH2. So among these two compounds, boiling point is more boiling point, less boiling point. So when it comes to straight chain and branched chain containing compounds, alkenes, so the boiling point will be more to straight chain compounds when compared to isomeric branch chain compounds. So this is how boiling point differs. straight chain alkene will have higher boiling point when compared to isomeric branch chain compound, that is branch chain alkene. This is how boiling point changes. Yes friends. Dear friends, just now we have learnt about boiling point. When it comes to melting point, let us take one example. So as we know that cis compounds, cis alkenes are less stable. Cis alkenes are less stable when compared to trans alkenes. So this is general trend, right friends? So stability, when it comes to stability, cis alkenes are less stable than trans alkenes, more stable, right friends? When it comes to melting point MP, cis alkenes will have less melting point compared to trans melting point. That means since these are melting point is more or higher. So for example, let us take cis butene H, right? This is trans butene. When you take cis and trans two compounds, these are isomers of butene. This is cis 2-butene. This is trans 2-butene. So when you compare the melting points of these compounds, its melting point is minus 139 degrees centigrades. When it comes to trans 2-butene, it is melting point is minus 106 degrees centigrades. Since the values are in minus form, which is higher melting point, yes, trans 2-butene is having high melting point. So this is trans friends. So two methyl groups are trans to each other. So that is trans, and when it comes to this is cis 2-butene. So melting point, that is minus 139 is less than minus 106, right friends? Dear friends, we know that melting point depends on Debye movement. In turn, the Debye movement, yes, Debye movement, it depends on Debye movement, and this depends on dipole movement. So that is why, so trans 2-butene is more stable than cis 2-butene. So melting point, we have learnt about boiling point and melting point. Stability, cis alkene is less stable than trans, right friends? So based on the stability, melting point also, it is less melting point than this trans butene or trans alkene. Dear friends, we have learnt about physical properties of alkenes. Physical properties of alkenes includes, yes, starting three alkenes, that is from ethylene to butene, these are gases. When it comes to pentene to C18H36, these are liquids at room temperature, and above C19H38 alkenes, all are solids at room temperature. When it comes to color and smell, yes, all are colorless compounds. Smell, yes, only ethylene is having faint sweet smell, remaining are odorless, you won't find any smell. When it comes to boiling point, yes, there will be a increase in boiling point similar to our alkanes, right? So there will be increment of 20 to 30 degrees in a homologous series, starting from ethylene to propene, propene to butene, butene to pentene, like that there will be increment of boiling point. When it comes to melting point, yes, there is melting point also, it goes on increases, yes, from starting it is gases, then liquids, then solids. So melting point also increases throughout the series. When it comes to isomers, this is cis isomer, this is trans. Yes, cis isomers will have less melting point when compared to trans alkene. Trans alkenes are having more melting point. These are all common properties of physical properties of alkenes. Yes friends, next we will learn about chemical properties of alkenes. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button.